Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl lady bringing you the hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I'm so sorry guys, my nose a little bit blocked because of iflu eginayo nizongixolela ngalokho. So Thando Thabethe Lunga Tshabalala, they little bit wanna show us something, as Thando Thabethe posted a picture of her and Lunga Tshabalala Somhale's wedding lobuwenzeka this weekend. So bebeshuthe ndawonye lapho, so wakhomenta or i-caption wabhala ukuthi it's always good to bump into Lunga Tshabalala. Yes, washeshe Lunga Tshabalala naye wakhommente kuleyo post wathi yebo kumnandi kakhulu, always bump into you Lunga to you Thando Thabethe. So they are actually going public slowly. Sorry guys about that. And yes, we saw Nandi Madida taking out Laurel overseas and the fashion shows that is happening at the moment, and she actually showed us her little pictures, her little daughter she actually reveals her face as well. So guys, that's all for now. Please do not forget to subscribe and please pray for me. Thank you guys, I'm out till next time.